That's right, this is the Backyard Professor coming at you live. Well, maybe not live, but ooh, at least in the sun. Check out what I get to do today. Look at this. Let me back this off. I'm smoking some pork ribs, and I've got pork ribs on the bottom one and 2 racks of ribs on the middle one, and on the top one I'm doing my own bacon. That's unsalted, unsmoked bacon, and I'm doing a mesquite. I'm doing a mesquite smoke with some apple wood, and I've got a nice rub that I put on them. And so the question is, what is this guy smoking? And I got news for you. It ain't weed. It's good old-fashioned smoke. Smoked meat. So see, here's the point. Life is good. Let's say prayers for all of those poor folks in California, though, man. They are having a rough go of it. So let's keep them in our hearts. Be nice to one another. Have fun. Be good, do well, etc. But you know, our nation is too divided across political lines. That has gotten to the point of utterly bizarre. Let's pack together. Let's work through things together and be nice to each other. Yes, I will have more chess videos for you, and philosophy, and history, and science videos, and math videos, and religion videos. Crap, I got so many videos to make, I'm out of time. So what are you doing watching this video? Let me go so I can get busy. Have a great day.